Alright, what's going on, guys? So, it doesn't look too bad. Got a little bit of an orange peel. Nothing crazy, but did get a couple of spots. You can probably see that a little bit. That looks like maybe me rubbing up against it. I don't think that was the hose. I did check under here to see whether or not I did get it, but I didn't. I did end up hitting the hose down here. But it feels, I got a little bit of an orange peel, but it feels really good. I wish I was able to keep the tag showing, but I think the main issue, I mean, if we look down, it looks pretty good. Not too bad. The main issue that I got, that I saw a lot, was the fenders in there. You can see right there when I was doing that, the hose hit it there. Maybe, probably not. There is a little bit of a ripple here, and that is a little bit rough. I think you can see it here. This is where I put the filler, because when I was putting my hand over here, there was a big, huge groove, and I'm wondering whether or not it actually should be there, and it's not really a dent. I can feel imperfections in here. You might be able to see it. Probably not. Turn the fan off. Yeah, I got a little bit there. Right there. I do feel a little bit of imperfections here. As far as the trunk lid is concerned, might be able to see it. I know there's a ding here. And there's another one somewhere. I've got to be, I can't remember where it's at. But I know there's one here, and I think there's one up here somewhere. The hood came out okay. A little bit rough, but I think the hood came out okay. Not too shabby. The doors came out okay, but on this door you can really see, if you look down, you could actually really see the wave of the edge there. I think that might be something that I'm just going to have to live with. But I think it came out okay. Spraying it was alright. It wasn't too shabby. Did get sweat marks in here. A lot of my sweat was dripping down. Not as much sweat as I thought I was going to put on right there. But I thought it laid down really, really well, considering that was my first attempt, so got a little bit of a ding there. But told the wife to go out and get me some satin black or some flat black. What does she get me? She gets me gloss. That's okay. But I'm going to put a guide coat on these. I'm probably going to put the fenders back on the car because it is a lot easier to sand the fenders when they're on the car compared to when they're off the car. Obviously, you'll sand everything else the way that it is. So, with that being the first attempt of me spraying everything, not too bad. Not too bad. You know, I'll bring you guys back when I throw the guide coat on here and I start sanding it, and then you can make fun of me on all the spots I missed. Why does that not look right? Why am I think I'm missing a hole there? Because I am. Should be another hole. Right in there. Looks like I may have to drill a hole there. But not too shabby. I'm happy. Especially I don't have to look at that. I don't have to worry about it being down to the metal anymore, so I don't have to worry about it rusting. So as far as these panels go, I don't know whether or not I'll actually put a guide coat on it, because I'm not too worried about the highs and lows on this panel, or really even that panel, because they do actually seem to be pretty straight. But I'll still sand it. I mean, obviously that's going to be a little high, that's going to be a little low, but overall not bad. I mean, like I said, I missed under there. That kind of ticks me off, because I thought for sure I was able to get underneath there and get them out, get it done. But you know, it is what it is. At least we're moving forward. We're getting steps done to get this thing back out on the road. You know, like I said, we're not really going for getting up to it and saying, wow, that's really kick-ass, that's beautiful. Yeah, 15 to 20 foot car, you know. But I am a little bit nervous about laying the base coat down, but I mean, a lot of this, I didn't get a lot of orange peel. I mean, I think I had the gun okay. I didn't get a lot of orange peel. There's a little bit of orange peel on it, but you know, not a lot. I mean, I'm happy with the way that it came out. So, alright guys, take it easy. Hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe. Be good. Peace.